Hello and welcome everyone. Let's solve today's Leetcode problem December 6th, that is 2554, maximum number of integers to choose from a range R. I mean like range one part. Okay. So you are given an integer array band and two integers n and maximum. Okay. You are choosing some numbers of integers following the rules. What are the rules? You have to select the integers have to be ranged between 1 to n. Okay. Each integer can be chosen at by once time. Okay, the chosen integer should not be in the array band. Okay, and the sum of the chosen integers should not exceed max sum. Return the maximum numbers of integers you choose following the mentioned rules. So what it's saying, like you had given an band array. So if you see, let me erase this thing. Here is a band array. Here is a band array that says like 165 is band. You have to take a range of 1 to 5, and when you're taking the range of 1 to 5, when you add the numbers, it should go at till the maximum sum of 6. If it is maximum numbers, if it exceeds maximum 6, then it should not be included in your integers array. So what it says, like 165 165. Okay, this is an array of band integers. Okay, this is an array of band integers. Now n equal to 5 means like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the n equal to integers. Okay, now maximum is equal to 6. Maximum sum can be 6. Okay, maximum sum can take to 6. First of all, this is the problem. I hope you understood the problem. The rule says like you have to take numbers from 1 to n, and you have to take the integers which is not in this band array, this not in the band array, and the sum should not exceed the maximum sum. Okay, and you can take only one single number only at most. Like I can take one. I have taken one. I have to take one. I have to take another number. I cannot take again one. Okay, that's the thing. So how to solve this problem? The solution is pretty simple. Okay, you have this array and you have this band array. You will avoid this integers like 1. Okay, okay, n equal to 5, so 6 is not going to be possible. N equal to 5, so 6 is not an array. 5 we can remove it. Okay, 5 can remove. Then you have to take 2, 3, 4, this much array. Okay, if you see 2, 3, 4, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So this is third rule, the third line last one, maximum sum. It is less than the maximum sum. So we can say like if here, if I go from, I can add 1. I will add, let's take this thing as sum. Okay, sum equal to 0. Okay, if I am coming over here, I is coming over here, it is saying like now add into this number like 2. Okay, now the I goes over here. Now it says like add this two integers, 2 plus 3, that is 5. Okay, 5. Now how many integers I had added? Two integers I had added. Okay, one is 2, another is 3. Okay, now I move again to this thing I. Now 5 plus 4, which is going to turn into 9, but which is exceeding the maximum sum of 6. Okay, which is exceeding the maximum sum of 6, so it is not going to be added into the this is against the rule. So we can say like that only two integers like 2 and 3 sum ups with the maximum number of integers you can return. Like return the maximum number of integers, you can choose the following. So this is the very simple solution, and this is a greedy approach. Okay, greedy approach. Why greedy? We are just directly saying like we are taking 1 to 5. This can be solved in many other ways, but this is the best and greedy approach, I will say. We are saying like we can take 1 to 5 numbers as well, but we are omitting 1 and 5 for on the first instance, and then we are just iterating to this entire array from 2 to 4. Okay, now how to solve this problem? Let's get into solving the problem. So if you go here, you have to do what? You have to take some conditions. Like here some edge cases can be there. If like if the array starts from 1, then we can say like if maximum is equal to let's suppose 0. If the maximum is 0, then our integer starts from the 1. Our integer data starts from 1. So anyway we sum up, we cannot reach 0. Okay, then we have to put that condition as well. Like if, like I will put this thing, if um maximum maybe less than 1 I can give. Okay, then we cannot, we have positive integers. If there are the constraints, everyone is positive integers, okay, then fine, return 0. Okay, that's it. Now we have to do, now we have to create a set. Let set, why we creating set, like we now we are saying like band array will be in a set, and we check like whether that array is already, that whether that integer is already there in the band, so that we can check like whether it is in the band or not. If it is not in the band, we can add up into the sum. Okay, set is equal to, simple thing, new set, and this is how in JavaScript it is done, band. Okay, now I will do let max sum, sorry, so let sum equal to 0. Okay, and then let count how many integers I can count from here. Okay, count equal to 0. So we are counting the integers, like when we are adding the value, we are counting the integers. For that we had used. Now for loop, let I equal to 0, I less than what, n, oh, sorry, I'm sorry, I equal to 1, I less than equal to n. That's from 1 to n. My brain gone for array. Okay, sorry for that. I plus plus, uh yeah, this is the entire for loop I created. Now I will do what, I will do if uh set dot has I, if that is equal to false, like that is not in the set, in the set array, there is no such array, such value in the set, I will do what, sum plus equal to I. Okay, the next condition here, it is saying like if my sum is greater than max sum, we just return the count. Whatever the count we are getting, we will just return the count. Okay, and since we have to increment the count, I will do count plus plus. So every time the max sum comes, it will see like the sum is greater than max sum, then only return the count, else it will go to the count. Okay, finally after the ending of the loop, we still have to return the count, because sometimes that this condition might not execute. Okay, in the last end of the array, still my sum is less than the maximum, then I have to say like that is not going to that this line, this piece of code is not going to be get executed. So we will see this return count. So that's the reason okay, let's run this solution. Okay, it runs the test cases. Let's submit it. There you go. It's accepted. 84.200. That doesn't matter. Okay, let's come to the solution. This final thing. Space complexity is of n, but n is of band array size. Okay, which is pretty good solution. Like I am taking the an array of we're getting a set, and we're getting a new set which is a band size array, and time complexity of n. Okay, that also of n. Okay, so this is the solution for this problem. I hope you understood this problem. We can solve this problem in many other ways, like not the greedy approach, but also by using some, think about like binary searching also can be done. But I would say like this is the pretty straightforward solution, very easy and simple solution. You don't need to worry about much things. It's a very simple thing. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Follow my channel and subscribe to this channel to get next lead code problem solved. Thank you very much. Bye.